the windshield washer spray nozzle on the passenger side of my daughter's 2014 Toyota Corolla stopped spraying nicely and only spurted out. I took a look under the hood, found the nozzle, and nearby found it attached to a check valve. I removed the check valve so then I could remove the nozzle. To remove the nozzle, I got a flat-bladed screwdriver, inserted it into the slot, pressed forward, gently pressed down, and the nozzle slipped out. To clean the nozzle, I inserted a pin in both ends of the nozzle to clear any blockage. I also checked the tubing to see if there's any blockage in the tubing, and in this case it was clear. I attached it to the nozzle, ran it through some water, and there was no restriction. To reinstall the nozzle, inserted the hose end first, engaged the front end of the nozzle into the hood, got the flat-bladed screwdriver into the slot, pressed forward and up slightly to properly seat the nozzle. I reinstalled the check valve, tested the spray nozzle, and it only spurted out. Back to the drawing board. I then focused my attention on the check valve that I had removed earlier. To test, I switched the hoses to the driver's and passenger side nozzles, retested, and found that the problem switched over to the driver's side spray nozzle. I googled windshield washer check valve for 2014 Toyota Corolla, ordered it online from my local O'Reilly's Auto Parts store, and picked it up the next day. It came in this box and nicely wrapped in this bubble wrap. It has the arrow showing direction of flow, input from the reservoir and pump, output to the passenger side nozzle, output to the driver's side nozzle. To reinstall, simply press on the tubing to the passenger side nozzle from the pump and reservoir and to the driver's side nozzle. A quick test and we got water spraying out of the passenger side nozzle again. All done. To see more videos like this, please click the subscribe button and then the bell icon.